Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing my April kit lineup and I have everything I need for this, so that's pretty nice. We can get straight into April. This is April 1st through the 7th and this is the week of my partner Locke's birthday. Their birthday is on the 6th of April. And I'm using the Make-A-Wish kit. This is a reformat of some very old art of mine, but I still love it. I still love the colors the most, I think. So I did want to use this again, and I thought the Happy Birthday Babe on it, I think that suited well for like a birthday for a partner. And well, as you know, I refer to Locke as they, them. They are non-binary, but they're assigned male to birth. So it's not a male boy birthday kit, but I don't care. It's my planner and also they don't care. So they think it's cute. So I'm happy to, I use whatever I want in my planner and I'm happy with that. Plus I feel like a lot of the male birthdays just don't suit my partner. So, well, except for the gaming ones. Gaming, nerdy stuff, I don't know, computers, I don't know, sci-fi books. Maybe we need to do like a nerdy male book set. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway. Yeah, so we're using Make-A-Wish. And I still love this art a lot. Obviously, I've changed a lot of things since then, but I still think it looks good. And most of all, I love the colors. Like, especially these, like, the periwinkle shades. So this is how the set looks. My old style of patterns here. I do like that though. Enjoy life, eat cake. For sure. I can't believe it's almost their birthday. They're going to be 36. So, rip, because I'm also 36 this year. This week? No, this year. So I'm pairing this with an SPC foil bundle confetti. I don't know which one. This is like it's like a very chunky pink hollow sparkle. Whoops. Turn my torch on. So you can see there it's a very chunky hollow. I don't remember what this is called on the side. But I thought, I liked the chunky hollow of it. And I thought that would be really fun with a birthday spread. And then it goes well with the these darker pinks that are in the set. But they're not in the colors. So I thought that would, not in the actual weekly colors. But they are in the art. So I thought that would like pop well with this. And I also started to think about the bottom washi. Yeah, I think that'll look really cute with the extra pink. And that'll bring out those darker pinks that are throughout the art a bit. You can see here. So that is how I decided to do that one. I can't remember when I originally used this, what I used foil-wise. Because I think I was using foil then. But we're just going to go simple with the fun, sparkly pink foil. This is actually a very big birthday month. We got Locke's birthday and we've got Andrea of SBC's birthday. She is also getting sparkly pink foil. So that's pretty funny. But yeah, so that's the week. First week of April. Second week. So this was originally going to be Walking in the Rain. And I switched that one with this one. Just because I feel like that will suit March a bit better. Because we are like into the more rainy season here now. Most of the snow, except for the big chunks, have melted away. We're getting a lot of fog and rain instead. So I decided to switch around because April might be a little bit better. Although it's not going to be real spring until May here. But I did finally want to use the 9-year punk planner spread kit because I still haven't used it yet. And I loved this art. I loved doing it. So I finally want to use it. And I think it'll work in April too because of this purple. Because I still definitely think of April as being purple. I love the patterns on here. Like the melty smiley faces. And this cat. So cute. I don't think I'll be using the black though. Because I am going to use black foil with this. Oh, it's going to be hard to pick boxes for this set for sure. So I thought okay, so what we're going to do is this came with, the 9-year bundle came with this black punk bundle with these quote boxes. So I'm hoping to use one of these. Maybe everything is fine because that makes me laugh. I'm not sure what I would use it over yet, but we will see. Or feeling good maybe. Yeah. So I've got this here just in case I feel like putting it in. I like them, but I also just, I don't, you know, I'm an artist, so I don't love covering out the art too much, but we will see. And then I do have a punk bundle that I had to pick up an extra for, but this is what came with the 9-year in black. And I do love these stars so much. I don't love the bougie boxes though, but I do love the melty faces. So you'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take those out because I'm not a fun-delay girl. But I love if you use these like safety pins on half boxes and stuff, it looks so cool. So I'm looking forward to that. But I did use this washi design for my Freaky Friday spread last year. And I'm not hugely into the dancing skeletons. I thought they looked cute with that spread, but I don't want to use them multiple times. So I did pick up some stuff to go with this. In basically a bottom washi from Planet Choco, the Melting Smile washi. So then, even though I lose the bougie boxes with that design, I can add these on. I don't know if I will use the bottom, I will definitely use this design with the singular ones, but I might still use the stars, or not even another, just use the one overall. Let's look at the bottom washi strips. Yeah, actually, I think I would only use because the other one is black. I don't feel like there's no point in putting an overlay on that. So I'll just use the melty faces, and I think that will look really cool and go with it. And then that will make up for losing the bougie boxes. So I'm gonna do that, and then I've got also Andrea sells black bougie boxes just by themselves. So I have a pair of those to make up for losing the fun delays. So yeah, we got everything we need in this bundle now, and just some extra touches to make it a little bit different since the last time I used it, but also a bit more to my own taste. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this one. I think it's so fun. And then for April 15th through the 21st, I'm going to be using Bookish. This is a colorful book set that I was requested to do another book set, but colorful. Because most of the time book sets come out more like for autumn. So this is my sort of spring, summer book set. You just can't get enough of book sets, I think. And I'm using this because, well, I thought this was a good month to use this as well because of the purple. And I'm actually going to be pairing this with some stuff from some custom quotes from some books. But yeah, so I'm using this one. I've been reading books. Right now I'm actually reading 2 at the same time, which I don't usually do at all. I've got all of the add-ons for the boxes, so it's going to be difficult to pick. Yeah, I love the way this came out. I drew a whole comic graphic novel page, which was kind of hard to do, but fun. But I think this will start leading more into the actual springness as well. But yeah, so I picked up some custom quotes. I'm going to use hollow foil with this one. I just thought it went well with the shades of the spread. So these are quotes from both, these are all Brandon Sanderson quotes because I am rereading Stormlight Archive this year. And I just felt like using some of their quotes because they're real good. I read them out in the haul that I got them from, but I think I'm going to use more of this page because I got this page in a sparkly gold to go with a spread that's going to be, it's a mystery kit. I drew it and it's going to be coming out near the end of the year, but I got quotes to go with that. If you want a little hint of what you might want to pick up for that spread, but book quotes. But yeah, so yeah, I'll probably use them here. But yeah, I've got book quotes from Stormlight Archive because I did actually put The Way of Kings in this book stack, so it goes. But I feel like with generic book sets, you can kind of customize it to be about the books that you love by using like quotes. So I picked those up. I kind of wanted to use the maybe the double box line for the I know, I just felt like picking that up for the double box because I do like the look of that, so I put that in there. I've just got a sparkle bundle, so this is sort of the sparkle design in hollow. It does have like the old scripts and stuff, but it will serve what I need. But I did also pick up a bottom washi from Planet Choco. This is the book one, and I really liked her specific bookshelf design. I like how it's like, yeah, like a big bookshelf, but it's all outlined, so it's a bit more detailed. So I really like the way that will probably go with it, just to add a little bit more book design. But again, I have to think about where I'm going to put these quotes. Probably like over this pile of books here. We'll have to see what I can fit in. I might have to pick some boxes just specifically to use with my quotes. But that is everything for the Bookish set. Yeah, I'm really excited to use that. And I've been wanting to use these quotes. It'll be nice to have them in my planner. So that is April 15th. Then April 22nd to the 28th is Andrea's birthday. I think it's the 23rd. So I am going to be using Dream Plant Do in the pink and purple from SBC. Because, hello, it's very Andrea, I feel like. Plus, you know, that's how we're friends, through planning. So I've got a few, I did pick up the blonde extras, so I could use one of those, like to sort of signify Andrea. And I did get the black hair as well, depending on which ones I want to use. I've got the doodles. But yeah, I love the way this set came out. It's so fun. Yeah, and I love the colors of this one too. I love how there's got the bright pink in there and lots of purple. But I feel like that would be good to use for her birthday, plus also April, and I've just been wanting to use this art too. So I'm going to pair this up with the Groovy Valentine bundle from Planet Choco in Pink Dot. I think in the end this came out the best. So if you've seen a previous, like the haul, I was thinking either Pink Dot or Hollow for blossoming later on. So I chose a lot of these foils in both, but I've decided to go with Hollow for blossoming, and I'm going to use this Pink Dot in the Groovy Valentine to go with this, because I feel like it works really well, especially because we've got sort of the groovy designs in this kit. So I have the cluster deco with all those cute designs, and I thought the Valentine one was nice for this because it's like, I love Andrea and I love planning. So I thought that'd be really cute. And I love the addition of like the heart piece sign and the lips. And it's a bit more girly than other groovy designs. I just have the bundle, and then I added on the bougie dot underlays and then to go with it. And then I'll show you how this is also sparkly pink. But it sparkles like in a different way, I feel like, than the one that I used for Locke's birthday spread. But it's quite funny that I'm using a sparkly pink for both of my birthday spreads this month. But yeah, so that's what I'm using with this one. And then, well, in my, I use the kit planner from, like week's planner from the Caress Press Inserts, and it does include in April the next week. So I will show you guys, although I feel like it fits more into May because it ends of May 5th and starts April 29th, but it is included in the Caress Press Insert Planners. So I'll take this as the last week of May. And I'm using Squeaky Clean because this time last year is when I did my spring cleaning. So I think this week I will also do my spring cleaning for the last week of April. I mean, yeah, so April into May, I feel like that's a good time to do spring cleaning because it's finally a little bit less cold. So I'll be able to clean the balcony windows and everything and a bit more sunny. So this is the spring cleaning art that I did for this year because I did enjoy doing it last year. I did pick up some peeps. We got a bunch of stuff. I just love how clean and bright this is, and I think this will flow well into May because of these peaches. But also, like, it's just a bit more bright and springy, and we're gonna go like spring in May because that's finally when it really comes here. And then I decided to pick up, and this is like weird foil because it kind of looks blue, but it's actually her mint foil. And at different angles it's mint, and at different angles it feels blue. But I feel like both of those colors are in the kit. Like we have like a minty green and a minty blue. So I feel like this works. And so then it gives me a little bit, like some more fun foil to add in a different color. And I kind of like the way like light pinks, light purples, light blues, and light greens look in foils. I think those are my favorite. They're still, they're like spicy silver in my mind. So they go with a lot more and they look less like in your face in my planner. Because I do like, I still want the art to be highlighted for me. So yeah. So I decided to go with her mint, but we'll say it is slightly bluish. In some, like in sunlight, full sunlight, it looks super minty. But in the studio lights, it looks blue. But I think it still goes. So I got some groovy floral designs to go with this one because I thought they looked cute with this. So I have the hole protectors. These are from Planet Choco, obviously. Hole protectors. I've got the groovy floral date numbers because I realized I needed date numbers for everything to match. We have floral clusters, and then I do have the one set of full boxes, so I'm going to have very minimal foil otherwise, so I'll probably just use these 4 double box and then 2 spread without. But I also have these quote boxes, so one of the boxes can also have one of these. And I think the one that I wanted to use for this spread was one that says beautiful things are never perfect, because I feel like I'm not perfect at cleaning, so that's okay. And then we have the bottom washi. I love the flower. I just love the flower design for this. And then again, I picked up her bougie dot underlays because I like this bougie dot a lot. There's a little bit more of the foil on there, but it's still like that, just the bougie design that I prefer for my underlays. So that is like the little bundle I put together of the foil for Squeaky Clean. And that is my last kit for April. We're kind of like, April's kind of anything goes kind of month. We're starting into spring, but obviously I'm also doing like this sort of punk bundle. And we got 2 birthdays going. So yeah, I think it'll be a really nice month. We definitely got the purple going right up until the end. And then we get more into the May peaches. But it'll be fun I'm looking forward to the cleaning I'll do that week. Yeah, so that is everything for April. Let me know if we're twinning at all. I don't know if we will. I don't know. Are you using any of these kits anyway? Maybe not in the same time as I'm using it. But otherwise, I would love to know. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.